What are you doing, Kashyap?
I'm visiting Mars, but I'm quite surprised
Why are you surprised?
because I don't see any people or life here.
Why is there no life on Mars?
Because there is no water, no food, no oxygen. Even the gravity is so less. You can jump higher than the sun or over your house if you live there.
That means we can't go to Mars?
Yes, you can, but don't go there without 900 pounds of oxygen in your gas bag. You will simply die if you go there without oxygen in your gas bag.
What else do you see, Kashyap?
I see some rocks in different shapes and sizes. Some rocks are shaped like a hill.